So, OG, you'd rather have a whoring daughter or a Batman son?
Whoring daughter.
You'd rather have a whoring daughter or a Batman son?
Whoring daughter.
Batman son.
Slow him.
Man, as long as you live no day with me, man.
Turn on. Bumbo.
Yes, them do that now, Baba Saba for Anthony.
Yeah, tell him your name.
I take ghost.
Yeah, turn on him is your style. Bumbo, when I take. We have to tell the ladies them.
Right now, call me speechless.
You want a foreign woman?
No.
Yeah, man.
I'm a woman I look for right now.
You woman?
State woman with them thing on TikTok.
Oh, when they kiss?
Yeah, me saying down here, he left me up on Saturday night.
Oh.
They say I come about here and dance.
Oh.
When he kiss me up and suck up my tongue, I'm going to the car drive off. You know, see him back. To the hour.
To the Wednesday.
All right. At that time I walk out. I can't.
Talk up loud in the camera.
Yo.
So I tell you, so I call her yesterday, you know, because I get one call and I hear say, oh, Batman dead, which part you live? So I call you, see them, that's why I call you to say for you.
Man, nobody boy. Put in a trap in there. I girl think me deal with.
What?
Woman think me deal with. Not even on batty boy. You see me?
Eh?
I mean that, you know. See me there. What they say, me?
No. They don't see you. But me this year see you.
What's that, man? I rest some for batty, me a batty boy.
And somebody else. Eh?
And I'm in them things. A boy can't beat me to me, I mean.
I'm going to drape up the pussy.
Jerome!
Stop calling the name, that idiot name. You know the man may have the name there. I say I'm a dopey. Say I'm sorry for you. They are them name the Roman man. They will kill all the people them in Jesus. He kill him wife, him 3 sons, kill him mother-in-law. I don't know why you can't call up him name to me. I will name again, Herod. Say I'm a Jew, but that's some mixed up Jews.
Stop going for the girl.
Yeah, man.
Jerome!
Hey, I call them blood clot demons for me. I say, where them come and say them sorry for me. In a dopey farm, 100,000 of them say I'm sorry for you to blood clot. Herod! Stop calling the man them name to me, stop calling Rome name to me. Them not dead. Herod not dead. Them kill a bag of pitney. And yes, them try to kill. You understand? Them have to kill Jesus. You know how them go, but them still kill him, them crucify him. Me know why you call me not Jerome, call me Jerry.
Alright then.
There are crosses,
All
Roman
right,
crosses.
all right, I'm not do it again.
They can't kill the two
All
wives.
right.
The pussy.
Jerome!
You know you like destruction. It soon starts to dopey. Because you call up them name, Rome. And my father give me the name, so I ship the name, I make a ship name Rome, and the ship go to him. And say, Balai, name him Jerome. And when I go to Europe, go serve under Queen Elizabeth II. I mean, he not with Rome, you know. Oh, you gonna kill your 2 wives, your 3 sons, your John, your friend. Say, oh, them keep on big party in that room them time there. And them best friend John, I don't want them people there. And them not dead. Them alive.
Alright, then I'm not call this too.
I don't want you call me so because I not deal with them.
Alright.
Or if you kill your blood clot, 3 sons, your 2 wives, you kill all your mother-in-law. I don't want them Herod. I see them head up before more than 10,000 of them. Come and say, I'm sorry for your blood clot. They want them tell me, say, about 10,000 of them, as dopey them, they want to materialize back themselves on earth.
Alright then. Alright, I'm stop calling.
Stop calling me, so I don't want him, because when you call them, so they go rise. And you, them come to me.
So where you go?
I'm going to drape up the pussy. Hey, girl, babe, make me get the sauce, man.
Jerome, stop it.
You know, say you love destruction, you blood clot, Bella. You
What is cold duck?
I thought you know about cold duck.
Okay, what do you call dog?
Cold duck, you blow, you have a see with ice.
Where's the girl blow your seat back with ice?
Blood damage, 7,000.
What does you have call dog?
7,000.
Hey, Racy, what you say? Tell me what you say.
Well, I am so upset that this place has been named National Heroes Park. And when you think of a national hero, that's your highest honor, the highest honor that you are giving to your people. So the place should be pristine and looking excellent. Because the heroes, you call them the right, excellent, you know. So the place must also be in excellent condition. Look at what I come and buck up at National Heroes Park. All this garbage. Is this how you commemorate your heroes? And you call them right, excellent? And you put them in a dump heap? And guess what? We have the Minister of Finance that go over that building there. And the Minister of Education at the other end, at the southern end of Heroes Park. And you tell me they come to work every morning and leave every evening, and the place is in this condition. This just goes to show you the mindset of these people. They don't really want to lift up the people. They want money because they give themselves 200% increase and 300% increase. But they don't think about the common man. This is a disgrace, total. You see people, what try Chinese them do? Chinese them block off the river, you know. Look at the amount of fish in the river. Man, them a build up to blood clean and block off the river. You see me? Everything, watch it. River top run. Chinese them block off the river on 3 man property. That's what I say. And them alone if you have access to water. That they tell us that them come if you do, you know. Take over and fuck up system. The system. You see what going on with people? The whole Jamaica if you see this, you know. Share up here and like up here and like and send out the video. Send that one a viral. Chinese them see there. No much years this river there run and them come and don't come black up it. And tap him the river from around. Watch it. If you don't look good. See fish them there. A battlefield life. See them there? Fish in the river, you know, and the Chinese black off it. Fish them now, no survivation. You survive, that's what I say. And part about them come to Jamaica to develop. They don't develop, they come to develop, they come to deliver, to kill off people. Watch it. Right now I see this river going on, this river black off. Top run. From Saturday. See it? Right, 3 man property. And black off this. So for this man have access to water. That's what I say. See eh? Chinese come here to take advantage of black people. That's what I say. Watch it. River dry up. No river now run. Fish them now survive. You see what I say? This is PNP government doing now. Sell out the country to China and see eh? So what China come and do now? You see it?